Wow. Whew. That's what you call a view. Jesus. Ah, and that's the lake that's getting built. Oh, it's a different one. Oh, have the swimming pool. Right, so this is for rent. Yep. 200,000 baht a month for this whole complex. So guys, welcome back to the channel, touching down from the mountainside of Chiang Mai city, and today we are at a it's not a brand new housing project, it's an old place that's getting renovated into a new place. I'm with my friend Parry again. She's got loads of places for sale and she's a sales rep at the minute. So right here, look, they're making a brand new lake here. They're going to put a lake in down here, look. This is where the lake's going to go. And Parry was telling me when she was a kid, because she lives up on this mountain as well, the buildings over here used to be a little nightclub and stuff. So somebody's bought a place, the resort, and they're making it, snazzing it all up. And these are the old style houses. So all these are getting renovated. So they're all going to be available, guys. What are we? We're about 15 minutes from Hang Dong, 10 minutes as you go up the mountainside here. Yeah, they asked me if I want to look. I said, yeah, we'll have a look. Somebody might be interested. It's good content. Your old style houses, look. So you could even have your table and that under the house. This is what a lot of people do. You've got your electric down here. Yeah, obviously don't know any prices or anything yet because they've not been renovated. And I'll show you the pool down the bottom after. It's like I'm in the jungle here, mate. But I am. We're up near Parry's restaurant side of the mountain. It's just jungle land. And yeah, they go back there as well. Look, so this is one of the places. Yeah, they don't look like they've been lived in for a while. Can we go up? I want to look. She said she told me about this, to be careful. Don't know whether to risk it. Could be snakes and everything. These little bungalows here like this though. Do you know what it reminds me of already? You know Dirty Dancing, the movie? Look, it reminds me of that place. The summer camp. That's what it's like, man. The summer camp in Dirty Dancing. Hey, that door, that one's open. Can we have a look? Door's open. Somebody in there? Nah. Nobody in there, right? Gotta be careful here, man. Wow, old, look. Old. No one's been living here. Any squatters in here? So yeah, they've got a lot of renovating to do here. Just a simple old basic bungalow. You never know what's in here, that's the thing. Wow, yeah, even smells old. That would be good, right? Once it's finished. Be a nice area up on the mountain. Not too far from the city. But these are gonna be available. I think she said they're gonna start on all this now, so it won't be long. I want to look at this one. How long has it been left like this? Many years. Yeah. Okay. So this looks like the old bar area, or wow, yeah, it's old place. Okay. Parry used to come here dating. Wow, it's old, isn't it? Oh yeah, the floorboards don't feel too good. Let's go.
For me, I think okay.
Yeah, but look at that view. Beautiful. There's Parry, look. She's been showing me some properties today. This looks like it was a really nice place many years ago. Kind of creepy too, creepy. Right, so just going to show the pool area down here. The boys are down here making
Engineer.
engineer. Oh, okay. They all looking at me with a camera here thinking, what's going on? Hello, Swaddy Cap. Jesus, mate, he's up there. Oh, sure it's safe under this. It's up there cutting the tree down, mate. Old resort. This has got to be 80s, right? 70s, 80s.
For pool, we have the price of flip it or change.
I'm gonna change it. Okay.
You will make like pub.
I like old places like this. So did this used to be popular? Many people used to stay here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Our local popular for
300 people
yes.
can stay here. 300 room.
Meeting.
Oh, meeting room. And this was the kitchen many years ago. Wow. Yeah. It's a big project, right? The pool still looks okay, actually. Not too bad. Oh, they've cleaned it up a lot already. Yeah. I will, well, it's no point leaving the location. It's a building site at the minute. But maybe we can come back here when it's finished and have a proper look. Right, so up further, Kari's brought me to this pool villa that's finished. What's in here? Villa? Good, thank you.
Open your shoe. Đây là của má.
Oh. 200,000 baht. What's that for? 200
Per month.
per month. Oh, to rent this?
Yes.
Okay, look at that view. Oh, I have to go out there.
No.
Oh, wrong way.
น้องล็อกไว้ก่อน เปิดหูปิด
Wow. That's what you call a view. Jesus. Ah, and that's the lake that's getting built. Oh, it's a different one. Oh, have the swimming pool. Right, so this is for
Downstairs.
rent.
Yes.
200,000 baht a month for this whole complex with different rooms, so you could rent it out. Pari was saying, if you wanted all the different rooms. It's a business basically for rent. Yeah, man. Hey, how's about that? Amazing views up here, really is. So this is another old place that's been renovated a bit.
มีกี่ห้อง
Oh, this goes down to the pool area. Down to the pool area. Right, so this is a private villa. 9 bathrooms, 2 kitchen rooms, karaoke room. Ah, jeez, that's nice, isn't it? Swimming pool with that view. This is karaoke room. Oh, nice cinema. Oh, a bit tangy. It's got that old smell to it. But cinema room with your pool outside in that just jaw-dropping view, mate. Wow, 200,000 baht a month. Right, so we're gonna have a little look here. Bedrooms. So suppose you could. Oh, bathroom. Yeah, old places. Let's have a look at some of the. Wow, it's a big place, isn't it? Oh, can we look at this one? Oh, we'll have a look at this one.
โชว์หันนะจ๊ะติดลูกค้าแค่นี้จ้า
Right, these are the rooms. That's nice though, right? It's people like the old traditional like this, don't they? Yeah, it's nice. Old style. You got your big balcony. Not gonna go out there, but yeah, just walks out onto the pool area again.
Number 6
Number 6.
a big bedroom
Okay. So
you have another room upstairs
where are we going? This way?
yes
Hey, this is a big place. So yeah, you could make your own business here.
Just one girl maid.
Oh, just this lady. So nobody stays here yet, right? Nobody stays here?
Chinese.
Oh, Chinese before.
Friends.
Same again?
Yeah.
Okay, old style. But nice. Oh, you got your balcony there again, straight out on a swimming pool. It's got that shining feel to it again. It's like a place that's been left for years and being brought back to life. I mean, you can only imagine what it was like here all them years ago. This is a private rent, guys. 200,000 a month. You could do whatever you wanted with it. You could just have it as your house, a mansion, I suppose. But you would probably make a business here, right? See, so I go past this. This is the road that goes up to Samung. And yeah, there's the road over there, the bridge. See, out here it looks really new. They've done this bit up first, didn't they? Oh, my feet burning. Oh. Right, so this place is for sale as well, guys. Starts from 70 million baht. If you want to buy this gaff as well. Oh, it's a bar. I thought it was a reception.
My favorite place.
Okay, yeah, Parry's favourite place, the bar. So where are we going now? Another bedroom. Same sort of size again. Lovely views.
Nice view.
Yeah, amazing views. It looks...
Kitchen.
Our kitchen looks nice. Looks newer. A little bit dark. Two kitchen. This one more lighter. Hey, yeah, it's nice actually. Beautiful place to live. Wow. Many interest in this place? People interested, no? To buy it? Not so much?
Yeah, for whole.
Yeah, this is a very unique place. You would have to have some money in the bank. Office. Hey, yeah, this is nice. Nice, looking out over the view. Oh my days. That's your office view. Wow. This is like the master bedroom. Wow. Wow. Saying wow a lot again this video. Yeah, with the view, looking out over that view again.
I'm gonna show you.
What's this?
Bathroom.
No. Oh my days, this is a bathroom. Oh, I love bathtub. Look at the size of that bathtub. Look at the size of this bathroom. Parry's coming. Okay, then it goes back out that way. Look at the size of this bath. You've got another. Oh, there's your shower over here. Even the shower. Shower area is bigger than my room. Hey, this is nice, isn't it? I've enjoyed coming to look at this place. Something different, right? Very different, mate. At my desk, editing videos here. If that view don't keep you inspired, working right in this spot at my desk, wow. Another big room with big bathroom again. Yeah. Same again, look, on the other side. Smaller bathtub, because this isn't the master. And your big shower again. That's incredible, mate. It's incredible. Yeah, it's nice, right? Really nice. What's this? What's different about this one? Outside? I'll have the bathroom outside. I see. I see. Different. I see. So you got your shower outside here. And what's this bathtub? Bathtub outside. This has probably been left over from back in the day. Yeah, old style. Yeah, nature. I suppose this was very popular, right? It probably still is. Yeah, you can have your shower and bath in nature. Yeah, very 70s, 80s. Oh, good. I think people would still like that. People pay money for anything like that these days, don't they? Right, so this is another style outside bathroom.
Another style.
Oh my god, look how big this is.
Yes.
Okay, so you got your shower here, got the windows hot in here, and then you've got your bathtub like this. This one's a little bit different. It's not outside but you've got the windows all around, and you can still go out on the balcony if you wanted, look. But this is, again, yeah, old style. How people would used to come to a posh resort in Chiang Mai back in the day, and you can walk through here. It's massive. Yeah, it's just the location up here. I suppose people don't want to stay up in the mountains so much anymore. 15 minutes from down in Chiang Mai, but I suppose people still, I mean, why wouldn't you love it up here? I love it up here, but I suppose people don't do that so much anymore, do they? I've really enjoyed this one. I'm really happy Parry showed me this place. Something different, mate. Old school, 70s, old 70s Chiang Mai resort. Getting renovated, brought back to life. This place would have been mega back in the day, wouldn't it? And it's looking nice now. So yeah, I think that's a fitting way to end the vlog, right? Really enjoyed this one. I'm not sure what we'll leave down below. It's 200,000 baht a month, and I forgot what Parry said to buy the place, but that will all be up on the screen as well. You never know, somebody might be interested. Again, just look at that, man. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, guys. Check it out from my new pad, mate. Take it easy, man. Take it easy.